Are you having a bad hair day? I can help you. I know what can fix it. A bun. But to be honest, not all buns are cute. Do you want to know how to make a cute bun? Let me show you. All you need are hair ties and clips. These tic-tac ones, you know what I mean. Okay, to begin with, you want to take these cute hair pieces out, just like that. Then you want to take the rest of your hair up. Once you've taken all your hair on top, you want to start tying it, but only halfway. And all you want to do is pull your hair apart. Now, all I'm doing is placing it down. Grab one of these tic-tac clips and just secure the hair. You can either let this down or you can clip it behind. That's what I like to do. Grab your curling wand. Alright guys, there you have it. Your quick, easy, simple, under 5 minutes, lazy girl bun. Bye!